Welcome to CyberCraft Lab. Want to break into cybersecurity fast? Well, here's your rapid-fire explainer roadmap.
Let's just dive right into a logical three-step sequence to get you hired and leveled up quickly. First, build that base. The Google Cybersecurity Certificate teaches you essential foundational models and risk frameworks. It literally covers everything a beginner analyst needs, from basic Linux fundamentals all the way to Python. Step 2 is the ISC2 CC credential. Amazingly, this one requires 0 prior IT work experience. It totally proves you grasp core concepts, like access controls, network security, and incident response. Finally, to build those vital operational SOC skills, go grab the industry standard CompTIA Security Plus certification.
But hey, what about your salary potential and career mobility? The ROI data definitely speaks for itself.
According to reports, a solid 19% of professionals actually received a raise because of a certification. And 18% landed an entirely new job. These globally recognized certs provide some serious career mobility. Long-term, this continuous learning bridges the skills gap, completely paving your way toward lucrative leadership roles. Okay, action time. Share these specific certification badges on your LinkedIn profile right away to attract recruiters. Also, add targeted keywords like cybersecurity to your summary, join professional groups, and engage daily. So, you've got the ultimate rapid-fire roadmap. Which of these 3 certifications will you start today?